Welcome to my effective how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make money by recycling aluminum cans. The aluminum cans are the ones that are paid with the highest price compared to all the aluminum, the scrap aluminum. The thing is that you need to be organized because there is not a lot of money in it, so you need to be very productive. And I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing that you need to invest in is a can crusher, and I'm going to show you how it works. I have one here, and in case you need to buy one, there is a link in the description where to buy one with an affiliate website. The first thing is to be effective in collecting aluminum cans. So I'm going to show you. It's a Monday. A lot of places they had entertainments and so on. So I was able to collect about 5 bags of aluminum. The thing which is very important is that you cannot go and steal anybody's property. So it's important to collect where they have been discarded as general trash, and if anybody says anything, you just said that you are helping the environment. I truly recommend that you check with all your local laws and regulations and so on, so that you are in compliance with them. Again, this video is to help you make a few bucks in a legal manner. And the proof is in the pudding. With all my bags of crushed aluminum, I have also general aluminum, I have my copper, I have my brass, and here in this bag I have my steel. So you can organize a very small recycling collecting organization before going to the facility. Clearly, I would refrain to take anything from the left can because this is Ramke's property. But on the other side, whatever is on the right one can be picked up and recycled. Once you have collected your cans, that's going to be the most interesting portion, at least for me. It's to compress them. So I put them in the can crusher like that. Here we go, and I'm going to show you it's completely compressed, and then I put it in the bag and I continue until it's all done. There we go. Let's do a third one. So that's what I would call the amusement side of the business. Here is a close-up. Here we go. Once you have done, you put them in another bag where you have only crushed cans. To give you an idea, a bag like that, and it's 3 tons, it's 3 pounds of crushed. So you fill your bags until you have enough that you can go to a recycle factory who is going to give you some cash in exchange of your recycled aluminum. You see, it's easy. I think the most important point is going to understand how you can recoup all those cans without driving extra miles. So when you are driving, you need to notice where are the general trash, nobody else's property, not the recycle bin, nobody private trash can, but the general one. For example, there might be a sports arena where there is a parking lot and it's open, they have general trash. That's a great opportunity without infringing on the law. And again, you need to double check that everything that you are doing is legal. Very large cans or bottles can be put under a tire like that. You hear the noise? A symmetry of crushed large cans. Let's see what are the weights. A regular can, 0.56 ounce. A larger can, 0.63 ounce. A thin one, 0.57. So almost the same weight as a regular. A bottle, and I'm trying to hide because I don't want to do any advertising, 0.86. And a 25 ounce, 0.81. In grams, a regular can, 15.8. A thin one, 16.1. A tall one, 17.8 grams. A bottle, 24.2, and a 25 ounce, 23. Okay, about 23.7. Another good day today with 2 full bags without getting out of my way. You will figure out quickly where people recycle, so there is little harvest to do, and where people do not, and you can easily find lots of quantities of cans for you to recycle. What about the pull tabs? There is a legend that they are worth much more than normal aluminum. This is not the case. You will have to collect thousands and thousands to get to a certain weight, so it's not worth it to separate them and try to bring them as pull tabs or pull rings. I will continue to document in the description section tips where to find large quantities of those cans in one time. Tips, advices, etc. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, and I'm just going to finish this video by crushing another one. And thank you very much for watching this video.